So guys, Shujan with another new video about the IELTS speaking part 1. So there is obviously struggle in speaking part 1. Many students often find it difficult to continue. So I'm going to give you another tips, and the other one I gave you in the last video, right? So one excellent way to improve your speaking in part 1 or bring variation in answer is to practice at your home with different answer for each questions. Like you can make 2 different answer for each questions. For example, if you are asked a questions like, do you play sports? So the first answer is yes, I do, because it's quite interesting. I play sports in the afternoon with my friends. So this is one simple answer. And then after preparing one simple answer, then you try the another simple answer. Like, so do you play sports? I used to play a lot of sports, but recently I am quite busy with my work and exams. So I tend to watch sports on TV in the bedtime. So this is another answer. So these answers are not the absolute answer. You could prepare more answers as well. So I just showed you actually how to practice. When you do this, when you make different answer for each questions, what happens is you get a lot of idea. Your ability to think about a particular questions improves, and you at the end of the day you become a better speaker. So I want to ask you the same questions again. Do you play sports? And I want you to write your answer on the comment box, but you have to write 2 different answers, and your answer should not be the same as mine. So guys, let's see who writes best answer. Thank you very much.